everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how I straighten my hair with my extensions. I know that I've showed you guys before how I do my curly hair tutorial and how I do my curly hair with my extensions, but since today I'm straightening my hair, I'm going to show you how I add my extensions to my straight hair while I'm straightening my hair. So if you like to see how I straighten my hair, go ahead and keep on watching. So I'm going to be starting off with some coconut serum and also Treseme's heat protectant. I put both of these on my hair because since I'm putting so much heat on from the blow dryer, I want to protect my hair as much as I possibly can. And right now my hair is about 50% dry, so that's when I usually start to add all of the sprays and serums, and then I will brush it. I know that I don't like to brush it when it's 100% wet, but I don't mind brushing it when it's about 50% wet. And then I will go in with the blow dryer and finish blow drying the rest of it. Also, I don't use a brush when I'm blow drying my hair. I know that in my first straight hair tutorial, I was using a round brush. I don't do that anymore because I don't like to pull on my hair if I don't have to. So I will just use my fingers and kind of comb it through as I'm blow drying it. And most of the time I focus on the roots because my roots are curly, and I just kind of brush it through like it would normally be a brush. And as you can see, I got it pretty straight for blow drying and using my hands. I mean, it's a little fluffy, and that's okay because I'm gonna go in with my flat iron, but I like it to be like this. That way I don't have to use the flat iron so much. It's basically already there. And then I will spray some more protectant spray and go in with the straightener. What I usually do is I'll start at the bottom, kind of like how my curly hair tutorial was, and I will take the smallest pieces and just add them as I go. That way I don't have to go back in and lift up my hair and put it in a ponytail and then it will crease. So I just straighten and then go along. then for the last section of my hair, usually I will just straighten it forward. I feel like it gives it more body and more volume. And that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys very, very soon in my next video. Bye, guys.